Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we continue our South Florida Odyssey by visiting a well-known burger joint located in Hollywood, Florida called La Tub or Le Tub. The restaurant's located on the Intracoastal and opened for business in 1975. We happened to visit it in 2025 for their 50th anniversary. Although I'll tell you, man, the staff they were hustling, working hard. The grill was working overtime. But in spite of that, the vibe of the restaurant was casual and laid back. And it's a bit eclectic with the driftwood, toilet seats, and bathtubs adorning the restaurant. Now they do have seafood options like steamed shrimp, mahi-mahi, and lobster BLTs, but as you can guess, the main attraction is the burger, which has been recognized by GQ magazine, and Oprah Winfrey once declared it home of America's best burger. So obviously we had to try the burger, which looked like a big meatball on a hamburger bun. Of course, I had to get the chili dog, and we added the jalapeno fries just for fun. The atmosphere was amazing, and the waterfront scene added to the chilled vibe. Now, I will say your wait could be 45 minutes plus because the burgers are made to order and they have a rather small grill. But I will tell you that next time you're in South Florida, you need to visit Le Tub and get a big old meatball hamburger. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.